We started on a Thursday night, made a lot of decisions on Friday and Saturday on how we would reconfigure the whole factory, and on Sunday we were in full production, and we've been ramping up ever since. Hi, I'm Kirby Best, and I'm President and CEO of OnPoint Manufacturing and PAT. PAT is our software company. OnPoint Manufacturing, as you see behind me, is our cut and sew operation. We call it digital manufacturing. We specialize in business wear for women. Obviously, the coronavirus caused us to rethink what we were doing and what we could do for the community and the country at large. So we had a lot of pressure from different people inside Brad White, and we had two of our designers, Burney and Stephanie Bradley, who both said, come on, we got to get into masks and help the community. A week ago, last Thursday, we made the decision that we would do it. We did some planning on Friday, and Saturday we started shifting this whole factory around, and by Sunday morning we were in production. We're very proud of the fact that we could have switched this company, and we can switch back to high-end digital manufacturing right after. So we've changed the factory to focus 90% on masks, hospital gowns, and medical scrubs. So the mask is made by first cutting it. So we cut it into two pieces for the actual face part. Then we cut long strips of fabric that are used for the ties. It's a pretty simple process. Everything we're making now is made out of a fabric that is infused with silver that gives it its antimicrobial property. So we've ramped up to about 3,000 masks a day, but we hope to get it up to 5,000. We're just looking for more people to help us. So we changed the way we operate quite a bit. We now have everybody come in, their temperatures taken. We have quite a hand washing and machine washing protocol. We also sanitize the whole factory over the weekend. We're obviously going through gallons of Purell. We are also practicing safe distances. You can see the sewers in the background are at least 6 feet apart. So we do our very best to keep them that way. I think the lesson that we've learned is to be nimble and to be fast. There is a wonderful book that was published quite a while ago called Freedom's Forge, and it's all about how the United States transformed their factories for World War I and World War II, and it's a fascinating book. And that's been kind of my only guide I've had. So some great lessons to be learned. The response in the community has been unbelievable. The calls that I've received from all over North America saying thank you for joining in, and all I can say is I don't think any of the American facilities wouldn't do the same that what we did.